even your job. So for me, if I find that I'm not growing within whatever it is that you're doing, like there's no potential to grow there, go back to school. Get your education, get a little training, even if it's some training online, get a course so that you can get a better job. Because sometimes it doesn't matter where you work doing that particular job, you're never going to have good circumstances because it's just the sort of job that it is. So, you have to understand that you can do better. Some jobs will never respect you at all. Yes, some non-managers that doesn't give them the right to tell us what to do, so we just address it to HR, right? The intentions from them controlling and looking for perfection. Yeah, they should be ashamed. I get so sick of on the job people always telling you what you should be doing, and they're not even taking their same advice. They're telling you to do this and do that, but it's because they want you to do their job. They're trying to give you all of these rules and watching everything you do to try to get you in trouble, because they're the little, I can't think of the term, but the one that goes and tells everything to the supervisor and the manager to try to get people in trouble. People like that, I can't take it. I can't stay on in a job for very long when you have somebody who's like a little snake that goes and tells everything that other people are doing and reports back to the supervisor. I don't like that. I can't stand it at all. Metro says, yes, they can be stressed sometimes, and I'm sure it wasn't their intention. But when something needs to be addressed with management, I will discuss it with them face to face. Yes, Metro. One thing that I don't like is when somebody who has nothing to do with the situation on your job, they put themselves in the middle of it, and it's like, why are you involved with this? This is not even your business. They're trying to get you in trouble. They're trying to lie on you. They're trying to find little things so that you can get a write-up, so that you can get a pour, whatever, when you get the scores, when they evaluate you maybe once or twice a year. They're trying to get things on your record so that eventually, I think it's after 3 write-ups, then you lose your job. Yeah, there's people who are controlling, manipulative, and evil like that. That's what they want. They want to bring some harm to you. They want you to lose your job. They want you to be the office person that everybody laughs at. But guess what? What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. Because I was in that position for a really long time, and people didn't know I was in school. So after a while, not only did they get in trouble, I became their supervisor. And that's what other people don't understand, is that you don't have to take that job. You can get a different position, you can get a raise, all of those things. Hi, Miss Tamika. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Appreciate you being here. Shout out to my mods. And everybody, please check out my mods in blue. If they have channels, check out their content because they are all amazing. How are you doing, Tamika? How are you doing, Metro? I appreciate you both being here. I wanted to say that, when we have a job, it can be very frustrating because you not only have to make sure that you're doing the work that you're supposed to, but also most of the time it's not even the job that is hard. Most of the time it's the people who work there, like the supervisors, the management, and your other coworkers that make the job difficult. They are trying to control you, and it's like, I'm not a kid. Some people on the job act like that they are your mother or your father. Like you have to listen to everything that they say, and you don't. You don't have to listen to nothing that these people, like if it's not about the job, like me not performing and doing what I'm not supposed to, then that's different. But when you're just doing your own business and they're always around the corner watching, or paying attention, writing down little notes, There's always an office snitch. That's what I wanted to say.